Hello, this is a video on how to edit Rado Estate website. You go to the URL radoestate.com/wp-admin. You add a username, which we will provide later on, and the password here, and login, and then you will have the dashboard here. On your dashboard, on the left-hand side, you will see posts, pages, stake. So you go to the home page by clicking on visit site, and once you go there you'll notice there's a big black bar on the top. This bar, if you click edit on it, it will load for you the information of the website, which is the widget sidebar, and then you'll have the pictures and the rest of all the other information. So now editing the page is very simple. Now uh, first thing, you will notice that everything here has edit the pin everywhere, which means edit. Everything has plus, which is add more, and everything has delete, which is delete for column or whatever that element you want to delete. Now for editing, once you click edit, it's just a matter of delete typing here. It's like Word document, and once you, for example, if we want to change here, once you finish changing, you click save changes, and it will save it for you here, as you see in the preview. It's the same for images. If you click edit image, and you'll have image here, you can add the image here and change it to whatever you want. And when you finish, save changes, and you can click update here, and it will save all the changes for you. Or you can click preview, and then you will see the changes you added. For example, I added these two letters, and it's showing the new changes. If you don't want to save, you can basically click refresh and reload, and it will reload everything for you. It's the same process throughout the website. Everything is exactly the same. Let's look at another example. Contact us. Sorry. Let's look on what makes us different. It's another page where you can actually to edit the text. Click edit page, and you'll see here the text, which is again the exact same thing. You can click edit and change the text to whatever you want. Now you will have here, you will notice here and as well everywhere, there is a button called clone this row. When you click on this clone, it will duplicate the row again, and you can preview the changes and see actually the row is cloned. So if you want to delete the clone row, just click on delete and to delete it for you. And if you want to change the layout of the text here, for example, we have currently 2 columns. You can change it to 3 columns, and or change the layout of the columns, one bigger, one smaller, or you can do whatever you want with these columns, as long as you are satisfied with the result at the end. After you finish everything, always click update so you can see the result. If uh, if you don't want to update, again, just click refresh, and that will be it. Now the only complicated thing will be the aesthetic here. On the aesthetic, you will see add new property. Click on add a new property. You can add the property details, yes, and below here you will see the information. Okay, let's say for example we want to have a price. You can add the price that whatever you want. Let's say I want to put this price, and for bedrooms you can add the bedrooms, bathrooms, floors, areas and size, and you can choose the BTS to whatever the BTS that's closest to it, or the MRT that's closest to it. Click on the BTS or the MRT, and if you have any images to add here, you can add. Like if you want to add images, you click add images, select the images that you want. Like click shift and drag to the end and add images, or you can basically put a video if you want to add a video. But after you finish everything here, just add some text. You can click preview again. It's the same process. And you'll be able to see the result, which is basically the same result of which is basically just a review. It's not actually a real page until you click publish. If you don't want to click publish, you can click move to trash, which will move the whole page to trash. Okay, now the last thing here on the left hand side, you will see Q form. On the Q form, you will see the contact form on your website, contact us, and you'll see this is the fields of the contact form, which is not really a concern when we would suggest to not actually check it. But if you go to entries here, whatever you submit to the contact form, it will go to the entries here. Even if you don't receive it to your email, it will come here. If you go to export here and select the contact form, you want to export all the emails that came through that contact form. Basically, click on tick all, and it will export. Some information here it will be useless for you, so basically take it off. And then you can choose the date from to, and click download. And once you click download, it will upload. It will extract a CSV file for you. Now the last point here is the users. If you want to add users, basically add a new. If you want to add someone that's going to add only content, basically change the information here to the editor, and you can put the username and the password can be given here, and you need to put the email as well. All right, that's all. Thank you very much for watching.